What's up, y'all? It's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So today we are kicking off a just a random weekend vlog. You guys know I love to throw in some vlogs here and there. I have my partner in crime back there.
Whoa.
Say hey, Papa. So today is Saturday and we are getting a very late start to our day. Actually, to be honest, we started pretty early this morning. We got up, or we left here like what, like 8:30? I was planning on sleeping in, but Dion had to go to choir rehearsal this morning, and so I rode with him and just went to go visit my niece while he was in rehearsal. Then we had to rush back to the house because we had a podcast interview, and so we did that, and then he had a patient he had to go see. Then he came back home. Now we're like just getting our day started, and it is almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but it is never too late for a little breakfast for lunch. Normally we love to brunch, especially on the weekends. Y'all know brunch is our thing, but we didn't have a chance to do it this morning, so we're like, you know what, let's go ahead and make some breakfast for lunch before we go ahead and head out and run the errands that we need to tackle today. So I just wanted pancakes. Dion apparently wanted pancakes, eggs, and sausage, so he's doing all the extra stuff. We're going to knock this out, and then I wanted to tackle some holiday tidying or cleaning just to kind of get our house nice and prepped for the holidays. And so once we get done eating, cooking, all that good stuff, we're going to try to tackle this kitchen here. Cooking. We got some sausage, some eggs, some pancakes. Dion made the pancakes, Sean. He was rushing too fast, so he burnt 2 of the 3.
She be hating.
I was just surprised that he really never burned pancakes, but anyway.
Never burned anything.
We're about to actually sit here and enjoy our meal before we head out and run our errands for the day. But I don't know about you guys, but we actually like to kind of clean up before we eat, just so we can eat, enjoy our food, and then be like that be done.
So we're super excited to be partnering with Viva
for today's video. And y'all, we have loved Viva for what, like 2-3 years now?
I think it was longer than that.
Yeah, like when I say our house stays stocked with a Viva paper towel. This is literally the only brand paper towels that me and Dion love. And they're probably watching this and you're probably like, Kyra, it's just paper towels. Like, what's the big deal? No, right. This is like the only brand of paper towels that we use and that we love. And it's because these are actually a cloth-like paper towel. They're actually more like a cloth than an actual paper towel. And they're 2 times more durable than a normal paper towel. So we love them. We have them on our paper towel roll right now. We just love them because they're super soft. They absorb a lot of product, a lot of water. They're just really good quality paper towels. And we use them pretty much all around our house. All day, every day. We use them to wipe our messes off our countertops. We use them to dry dishes. We use them in the bathroom. We use them to, pick up dried foods off the floor. We use them to clean off our stove and the microwave. They're just really strong and durable and literally the best quality paper towels.
So these are great for tackling multiple surfaces throughout the home, and they're durable for any mess.
So they're perfect for deep cleaning. I mean, literally everything. Baseboards, coffee tables, kitchen tables, countertops, bathrooms, like literally all types of surfaces.
You name it.
You name it.
You can use it.
So it just gives it a perfectly polished, super clean finish that looks like it's professionally done, even though you're not a professional. So that's why I really love it.
I know that everyone is trying to prepare their homes right now for the holidays.
Yes.
Viva is perfect to use for those tough and grimy messes.
This is perfect, so you can use it before you clean up for the activities, or even after, you get done baking, cooking, you have, close friends and family coming over, then you definitely want to go ahead and have this on deck to clean up after after your kids, after any family members, whatever, making drinks, cooking, whatever it is, you want to have these on deck to keep your house nice and tidy and clean for the holidays. So So I'll definitely leave a link down below to check out the Viva Signature Cloths as well as the Viva multi-surface towels. Definitely go ahead and check out your local markets and local grocery stores. If y'all see them, get them right then. Grab them when you see them. And in case you cannot find them in store, definitely go ahead and check out vivatowels.com to find out any availability nearby you as far as in-store availability, and also to get more insight into these products, as well as check out Viva's other assortment of products as well. So again, have your Viva Signature Cloths on deck. All right. So we're about to go ahead and actually clean up the kitchen before we go ahead and sit down and eat and head out for the day. So ready to get to cleaning?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go. So update, we are about to head out for the day. Y'all, it took us way longer than we planned to cook, and we kind of got caught up talking and all that kind of stuff. But fortunately, everywhere we had to go except for one store will be open late. So we need to go to, where's the Best Buy, Crate and Barrel,
And Floor and Decor.
And Floor and Decor. But long story short, we are about to start working on our bedroom transformation. But I'm gonna be doing a whole separate video on our actual ideas and plans for how we plan on transforming our bedroom and bathroom, or at least like an idea of like what we want to do in those spaces. But of course, y'all come along for that and kind of see where our heads are. But first, we are off to Best Buy. So we're in Best Buy. This is our first stop. We're getting a new TV for our bedroom. The TV that we have in our room currently, Dion we've had it for at least like a good 10 years. And it's still good, but it's still good. But I think that the scale of the TV to our furniture just doesn't quite work. I think we need something bigger and something a little bit clearer. You know, it's a little bit nicer, a little newer, you know. Because the idea is that we'll get a new one for our room, and then we'll put the one that we had in our room outside, right? Yeah, on the patio. But I don't want to do anything too crazy. I'm thinking that for our room, the 55-inch, I want something that's, you know, that kind of fills up the space without it like overdoing it. So the Best Buy we're at now, they don't have the exact TV that we're interested in, but hopefully they have like at least that same model, just a different size, so that we can kind of get an idea of what we want. All right, y'all, got the TV situation squared away. Somebody though, him, I literally, y'all, asked Dion earlier, I said, hey babe, can you check what time Floor and Decor closes? He told me 9. Couldn't find out they closed at 7. So we'll have to tackle Floor and Decor tomorrow after church, but I actually want to go to Floor and Decor and Lumber Liquidators. I guess go more in depth as far as why we need to go there in a separate vlog. So instead, we are about to head straight to Crate and Barrel. Fortunately, they do not close until 9.
Oh my gosh.
He's doing that because he knows it's his fault. He's doing that because he knows it's his fault. It is completely his fault. So it's been like over a year since been there. Dion's never actually been into Crate and Barrel, so kind of wants to go in there, just kind of grab some home decor items. After that, we can go grab some food because I'm starving. Even though we just ate pancakes, eggs, and sausage, like I'm still hungry. As well.
I'm always ready to eat. No.
No big behind. Yes, you are always ready to eat. Stop. next, so inappropriate. I think that would just like this in our bedroom by the bay window area. So like the 2 accent chairs, maybe like an end table, like some sort of like table in the center, like a really small mini one in the center, and then like one of the chairs will have an ottoman. And then that way our new TV that we just bought, I want to get it to where it swivels. So I can't stand you. I want to get the TV mount that it swivels so you can like eat coffee, or not eat coffee, drink coffee or whatever, like on the side by the bay window, and still be able to like watch TV. Makes sense? You know, really nice, cozy, chill area in our room. It's just so comfortable. No, this is what I want. I know I want this one. I genuinely want this one.
But no, honestly, it does look like one of those things that a cat climbs on and scratch and lays on.
You're so.
It does. No, it does look like that.
You don't, because that's because you don't have good taste. Okay.
Please.
You don't have good taste.
I got you.
And for anyone wondering, this is the Calder chair at Crate and Barrel. and the winter white chair, and then it has a storage ottoman. That is how it looks. And then again, here are the different swatches that it comes in. So black, brown, gray, and white. So tonight we're trying a new spot for dinner. It's called Bayou City Seafood and Pasta, I think. I don't know, it looks like it's new, so I've never heard of it before, but the ratings were great, so we'll see how it is. Just got our dinner. So as I mentioned earlier, we're trying this new place, and so me and Dion both got the seafood platter, except he got his blackened. I got mine fried, of course, which is not good for you, I know, but I can't help it. So vegetables, like potato, and then I also ordered the fried pickles, margarita, of course. We will try it out and let you guys know what we think. So we made it home. It's late. Both me and Dion are so tired, y'all. Definitely stayed out way later than we planned on it, but just hopped out the shower. I feel amazing. I literally cannot wait to hop in my bed. I'm sitting here getting myself together for bed. I was about to wrap my hair up, and then I realized I want to go ahead and address something real quick on the vlog. I have been getting a bunch of questions via DM on Instagram regarding my hair. So if you guys saw my Utah girls trip vlog, you guys saw that I have pretty much been wearing my hair like in a super duper natural hairstyle at the moment, because you guys know I change my hair up all the time. And I actually have in micro links. I went to my stylist Naomi. She added in a little over 1 bundle of hair. I bought in 2 bundles, and she like touched just a little bit of the second bundle. So I bought in 2 14-inch bundles. So here's my natural hair. Okay, there you go. And then here are the extensions. So you can see the extensions are like maybe actually about less than 1 inch longer than my natural hair. So again, here's my hair, here's the hair extensions, and you guys see like how close they are in length. And that's why my hair looks so natural, and like it's basically all mine, is because of how similar the lengths are. Of course, we had her go in and like trim the ends, kind of blend everything together. So I want to go ahead and answer that and address that, because I've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram. So I love the technique because it gives you flexibility. So like you can do ponytails, like I can do a full on high pony. You guys see? High pony. I could do like a half up, half down. For the most part, I'm wearing it middle part, just straight down. Really simple and easy. And it looks as thick as it does because, so like in this style here, the reason why it's so flexible is because my hair is not braided up at all. Like my hair is still down. So essentially they attach the beads to your natural hair, and then, you know, link on the wefts to your natural hair, but your natural hair is still down and silk pressed. And then we just have the individual wefts or individual tracks added on throughout my hair. And then she just left the perimeter of my hair. Try to get close up, y'all. Basically, she just left out like the perimeter. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so like here's tracks, you guys see that? And then here's like the perimeter of my hair that has nothing in it, that's just like all natural, just so I can be able to, you know, pull it up and do all those different styles. That is what helps make the hair look thicker and fuller, and that's why you'll see that with most microlink installs, stylists specifically use 1 to 2 bundles. I can also change the part to the side part or whatever, but it's just super duper convenient. And then also because it is cooler and a lot less humid, well, for the most part, my hair does pretty well. My natural hair does pretty well with staying straight now in this climate versus like when it's spring and summer, because my natural hair reverts back in like a day. Anyways, that is everything about my hair. I want to go ahead and address that because again, I got a bunch of messages. So it's just a super, basically it's like my hair, but like with a couple tracks added in, and that's why it looks so natural. And I really, really do love it.
All right, y'all, it's about that time.
About that time.
We made it back home. The food was good.
Yes, the restaurant I thought was really, really, really good.
Was it really, really, really good?
Okay, I'll give it 2 reallys.
Just 2?
Okay, it was just 1 really. It was really good. I'd recommend, like, I'd go back, wouldn't you?
I think it was cool. It tastes just like Papados to me, honestly. Wasn't anything different. This place can grill everything. Well,
yeah.
Blacken or grill, whatever you want to refer to it as. Everything versus Papados.
The platter that we had, it had oysters, crawfish, catfish, stuffed shrimp, and crab cake. Price wise, it was good too. So, anyways, yeah, we definitely go back.
So this is us saying good night. Good night. You were supposed to say that together. Okay,
What?
let's try this again. So this is us saying good night. Good night.
I'm not doing that, babe. Say good night and cut the camera off so I can go to bed.
All right, good night, y'all.
Good night, y'all.